welcome back to our channel. I'm Keera.
I'm Jané.
And this is Lavinia Monet. Sorry we've been away for a while.
I feel so bad. We've been neglecting you guys.
But no, literally it's like so hard trying to like balance out each other's schedule.
Yeah, and this is our senior year of college, so it's just like,
yeah.
Just imagine.
It's a lot.
A lot of things. She got like 1,000 papers a day. I got to study every single day, so it's just kind of hard, but we're back like we never left. Hey.
But today, we're bringing to you guys a question and answer. We kind of like posted stuff on all of our social medias, and we just asked people to ask us some questions about anything. So there's no specific topic here. Like, we're just going to be answering questions that some of you guys asked, and some of them are really, you know, interesting. So,
and then also, this won't be just our first and last question and answer. We'll have more.
So anything you guys want to know, just ask our thoughts about something. Just
we'll
ask.
Answer every question.
We will.
As long as it's not too bad.
Melanie.
Hang on.
You had a boyfriend and he was staying at his baby mom house every single night.
Now,
and his excuse was because he had to take the kids to school every morning. What would you do?
That's a given. What would anybody do?
Okay, like
what would anybody do?
I'm not. We're not together. We're not together. Like, you're still living with your baby mom. There's no reason why you should not have your own crib. Like, why are you? If we're together, why are you living with your baby mom?
And that's like any excuse. You can sleep with me,
right?
And we can both walk to get your kids and take them.
Not even just that. Not even just that. Or you could just get up earlier in the morning, pick your kids up, and take them to school.
School open at 8 o'clock. School start at 8 o'clock.
Why are you staying with her? Y'all don't know.
You're not gonna
y'all
tell
are co-parenting. Nothing else.
But my thing is, like, you're not going to tell me that you're sleeping with the mother of your child and the mother of your child's house every single night and nothing's going on.
Nothing.
Come on, every guy.
Come on.
Well, most guys still have sex with their baby mom.
Okay.
So, you ain't going to never even, first of all, I'm not even going to date a guy with a baby.
Like,
your first baby got to be my first baby. I don't care if you're the ugliest guy in the world because all the cute people had babies or something. I'm not having a baby. I don't got time for baby mama
everybody has beauty somewhere.
Would you date a guy if everything about him was perfect? Everything.
Like, perfect job, good credit, everything. Like, looks, like, everything. Like, you know...
His little...
Everything. Just everything. He was a Christian Grey.
But he had a small penis.
Would you still date him if he had a small penis but everything was perfect?
You go first.
You go first?
No, I wanted to hear you.
Because I don't know.
Really?
Like, I really don't know. Because, like, I don't know. I really... Listen,
how little are we talking?
Right, like, how little are we talking, you know? Because, you know, you can give and take, you know? You got all the rest of these good qualities that, you know, someone would search for in a man. But, you know, you're just lacking in some areas, you know?
My answer would be...
I don't know.
Yes. Only because when we say small, we just mean, like, small, right? We're not talking about, like...
I mean, yeah, they weren't specific.
Impossible.
They weren't specific.
Like little nuggets. Like, we're talking about something that's not wow, but, you know.
It's just not, you know, yeah, I feel
because my thing is, what's the saying? It's not about the size.
Oh, it's not the size of the boat. It's the motion of the ocean.
Okay? Like, if you got all this stuff, and you're just a good person, but you got a little thing, but, like, maybe we can work with that. You never know. Like, you never know. Would we eat a dead, maggot-infested cat for $1 million? No. That ain't enough money.
That's not
enough money. That's
I
not
need, like, some in the billions, like...
Trillions.
I was about to say that.
Because, first of all, I love cats.
All them diseases and shit.
I love cats. Secondly,
and then there's
maggots. We can die from that.
Yeah, that's what I said. Diseases and shit.
First of all,
and it's
I don't
rotten,
like bugs.
and it's old, and it's been sitting here. It's decaying.
No. And the person who wrote that question to me said they would do that. I'm like, $1 million is not enough. Would you drink, what was it, Henny mixed with pickle juice?
Oh, would you mix pickle juice with Henny in order to bring a loved one back that passed? And I would. But
too.
listen, I don't even like pickles or nothing like that. So like I'm like super like grossed out by like stuff that I don't like. But I would have did it. I would have took it back. Like no face, no nothing.
I would have took it back too. Yeah, no face, no nothing.
Like
give me the biggest
y'all about
bottle
to say
of
it, right?
Give me the biggest pickle jar, and I'm bringing my cousin Jamal back. Okay, because we're about to be slaying again. If you could be any animal in the world, on the land or on the sea, what would you be?
Well, she already know what I wanted to be. Like, well, what I want to be. Because we had a friend tag for y'all, and unfortunately it got deleted. And those were one of the questions. So, I would want to be a shark. I want to be a shark. I'm not crazy, but I would want to be a shark because I always watch Shark Week and stuff like that. And, like, I really be amazed, like, watching... No, I really be amazed watching this... Stop, because no, because it's really a good show to watch. Like, I be glued to the TV watching the sharks eat stuff. Like, they're so amazing the way they swim. And I think they're really cute. I even like the cartoon.
You
a dummy.
Yeah, that's how it goes. Look, she even know the song.
No, but for real, because... No, for real, I love sharks.
Okay. I had an animal to be. I would be a panther, a black panther, because they're just so mysterious and they could just creep up on you, creep in the woods with the backs, and then they just get you. They get you like that.
You
they
get
come
real
up,
kinky.
Look, they come up real. You think, because I like them, because you think they nice and cute, and they nice and slow, and they just come up on you, and then boom. Yeah. A panther. A pink panther, to be exact. Would you talk to a married man?
No.
Me
That's just my... First of all, I wouldn't even talk to somebody else's
got a girlfriend.
Boyfriend.
Let alone a
freaking married man. Like,
nasty.
What?
Have morals. Have self-respect. If you was married, you wouldn't want no girl sleeping with your man. You would not want to be...
So why would you go running around and doing that? So... Listen,
that's not cool.
It's not right to be hypocrites. Y'all are very hypocritical.
Y'all hypocritical. Y'all just nasty. That's nasty. Like,
how
do you want something that belongs to somebody else you're sharing?
Yeah.
Like, you can't have something that's just yours. Like, that can't just be yours. Like, when you really, like, I ain't gonna get into it. But no, we wouldn't do that. Would you lick a butthole full of feces?
Why you gotta say it like that?
A butthole full of feces.
Hey.
Butthole full of feces. Butthole full of feces. Butthole full of feces. Wipe.
Oh shit, you switched it up on me.
Wipe, bring it back there. Butthole full of feces. Butthole full of feces.
You get on my nerves.
Wipe. Butthole full of feces.
Alright.
Come on.
No. Will we eat a butthole full of feces?
No.
Or will we lick a shitty asshole?
No, it's would you lick a butthole full of feces? Not feces. For straight A's throughout your college career. No. It's a no.
I don't know.
You would lick a butthole?
Because listen.
A poopy butthole.
Listen.
Dookie.
I'm just saying, I don't know. I would not do it because that's AIDS for real. But like, hypothetically speaking, like, how much poop is it?
He said Essie. So that means a lot of poop.
I don't know, because listen, if I get straight A's in college, I could go to Yale. I could go to Harvard. Listen, I could do great things, you know?
I'm not doing it. I'm doing just fine. My last say is your favorite article of clothing.
I don't know, because I don't really like clothes.
What?
I don't really like clothes.
I don't know.
Like, I don't really, you know, like, I don't even like wearing clothes, so I don't really have a favorite article of clothing.
I think I like, it's definitely not
like, clothes is just so restricting.
I don't know. I think I like cute stuff.
That's not an article of clothing.
But I'm trying to think. I'm trying to get there in my brain.
I don't know. If I had to choose an article of clothing, it would be like something baggy.
Oh, that's what the question means? I thought they mean like either
No,
a shirt.
like, yeah, no, but I'm just saying it gotta be something baggy. It could either be baggy shorts or like, boyfriend jeans. I like boyfriend jeans, you know? They're comfortable. They're very comfortable.
What do I like? I like dressy shit. Like, I like dresses. I like dresses. I like dresses, jackets, and I like dresses. And I like ripped jeans.
Yeah, distressed jeans. We're naming specific ones.
No, we're just naming clothes.
I mean, I named
don't
the
know.
specific one, but I don't like jeans. That's why I said I like boyfriend jeans.
I like jeans.
Yeah, I don't like jeans. They're so like restricted.
But yeah, those are really what I like. Shirts. I like anything that's sexy, cut, like low cut. What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is And Then There Were None. I read it in high school and it was like really interesting. It's a mystery book. But it's just so interesting seeing like TV shows and stuff like that, like, you know, reenact the book or whatever. Like, I know Family Guy did it. It was so funny.
Her and Family Guy. Like, I don't know what's up with her obsession.
But it was so good. So, like, you know, there's one book that I really love.
My favorite books are The Bluest Eye by Toni Morrison and 1,000 Splendid Suns. I like those two books. I read them both in high school. I think one in the 10th grade or the 11th grade and then one in the 12th grade.
Yeah.
And they were really good. Like, really good. Like, I cried on both. So, those are my favorite books. If I got to read them over, if I had the time, I would
I was about to say
over.
I would definitely read them over. Zane Chronicles you could always read over and over again, but And Then There Were None. It's a really good book.
If you had one food to eat for the rest of your life, what would it be?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I can't pick. That's really hard. Like, I don't know. Cause like I don't want to say something because I know I get tired of it. I mean, I really like.
Yeah.
I like pizza and hot wings, but I can't have both.
And I don't know. Chicken pizza.
I could. That's you, bitch. See, that's why you my bitch. You smart.
Have to
Buffalo chicken. Buffalo chicken pizza.
I don't know what about maybe strawberries or potatoes.
Yeah, you do like potatoes. You love potatoes.
Cause you can eat baked potatoes, potato
French
chips,
fries,
French fries, mashed potatoes,
Obey chips,
potatoes.
Yeah.
But then I would turn into a potato.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of starch. But I turn into like a big obese person eating buffalo chicken pizza for the rest of my life.
I choose strawberries. But they don't fill you up, so pineapples. I think pineapples because pineapples will fill me up.
I think pineapples are good. They do fill you up. They are juicy.
I eat pineapples for the rest of my life, so you already know what that means. So then this is the last question, guys. And basically they want us to describe each other personalities using the color. That's funny.
Hi, you first.
No, you first. Do
you
got
first.
your color?
No, I don't got my color. That's why I said you first.
Because then you going to take what I say.
First. No, I'm not going to take what you say.
Yes, you are. You're going to
I'm not.
You're not going to take what I say, but you're going to base it.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Let's see. If I had to choose a color, I would pick like a baby blue or like a light pink. What?
Why?
Because like when I see like light colors, I think like positive, you know, positive thoughts, positive actions. And you know, Jané's like very goofy. Oh no, damn, I know the color, yellow.
I knew she was gonna say yellow. Because you said goofy.
Oh yeah, because Jané's so goofy, so and yellow is very like vibrant and like lively. And that's what I get from Jané with her personality. But if I was going with like where I was trying to go with like light pink and like I don't know where I was trying to go. I was trying to go for like that, like bubbly.
I think I would be green. Earthy.
No.
No?
Yellow.
I think green. Like, I'm just so, like...
Or orange.
No, you're orange. And let me tell you why Keira's orange. So Keira's orange because orange is nothing but red and yellow. And with Keira, she's like bright, fun, bubbly, goofy. You got the yellow, but then you got the red because she can like turn into like a fucking crazy behind hood nigga in a second. Like, so she's orange in the mix.
I mean, yeah, that's true. A lot of people don't see that side though. Cause it take a
well, I lived with her for years,
yeah,
so.
it take a lot, yo. It take a lot to get me there.
Yeah,
Listen,
she'd be orange.
Go.
I think I'd be pink.
You just said you think you'd be green.
Nah. I mean, I have different personalities, so sometimes
I do agree with the orange and like the yellow mixed with the red.
I think I would be pink because I'm so girly though.
But that's why I was saying like pink because it was like bubbly. It was like very like cloud like. You get what I'm saying? Like
okay, so that was cool.
Okay. It was cool.
Question and answer. It could have been a little bit.
Could have been a little more spicier.
Y'all could have really asked us questions about
because we like
us.
anything like
anything. We would have answered them, but it was like the questions were like really different. You got would you rather questions, and then
you got like
what would you do?
Your boyfriend and the baby mom, and
it was kind of
it was mixed up. But oh well, we hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for our next video, and we're not gonna leave you guys again.